Our journey began at sea, and now for a more sustainable tomorrow. We take our next step toward a greener future. We seek answers for a cleaner, brighter world. Now begins a new chapter in the story of SUNBO.
(1986년) 책상 2개와 전화기 2대로 출발한 우리 선보는 고객이 영업을 창출하는 회사를 만들기 위하여 끊임없이 변화하고 혁신해 왔습니다. 이제 우리 선보는 고객과 함께 지속 가능한 미래를 열어가겠습니다.
Our journey began with a small step in 1986, leading to new business opportunities with the development of the FO supply unit in 1996. We entered the eco-friendly market in 2014 by delivering the first LNG FGSS. And in 2023, we further advanced our sustainable technologies with the establishment of a gas system test facility. We opened another new path for green technology. We never stop and move forward on our long journey. Vast in scale, powerful in technology. On a site spanning over 49 acres, 200 engineers and designers, 100 management staff, and 700 production specialists move as one. A global leader in green energy. This is the future that SUNBO is shaping. SUNBO, the giant engine that moves the world. Dade First Factory manufactures oil and water supply and purification systems. Dade Second Factory, a core hub of our eco-friendly gas supply systems. Gimhae Factory manufactures 200,000 spools annually and assembles pipe group units. Gupyeong Factory builds large-scale modules and delivers them offshore to customers. Yongarm Factory, strategically located to ensure timely delivery to customers along Korea's west coast. Daebol Factory supplies world-class eco-friendly products by land and sea. These are the power behind SUNBO. Is designed to efficiently handle boil-off gas, delivering up to 1,000 kilograms per hour at a maximum pressure of 16 bar. SUN-RS BOG Recondensing System, a power-free solution for reducing BOG. SUN-RS recondenses excess BOG to save fuel with a capacity equal to about 10% of the ship's main engine LNG fuel consumption. To enhance customer service, we have developed Cosmos, its proprietary FGSS, LFSS control and monitoring system. Cosmos is designed to meet diverse global technical and cybersecurity standards, ensuring flexible adaptability and providing remote monitoring for seamless operation. We offer one-stop total EPCC services for FGSS. We supplied the first FGSS Megi main engine built in NASCO shipyard in USA. Since then, SUNBO's FGSS systems have been successfully installed and are now operating on numerous vessels worldwide. We offer one-stop total EPCC services for fuel gas supply systems, including LNG, LPG, methanol, and ammonia. Our LFSS solutions for LPG, methanol, and ammonia has been standardized. Onshore regasification terminals and facilities require significant investment and long construction period. As an alternative, FSRU vessels are often deployed near the shore to supply LNG fuel onshore. SUNBO possesses the design and manufacturing capabilities for regasification systems installed on these FSRU vessels. SUNBO has strong expertise in BOG reliquefaction and recondensing in the shipbuilding industry and continuously strives to stay ahead of technical trends. The latest advancement in BOG handling is subcooling technology to bring this cutting-edge solution to the market. We have been preparing two different carbon capture technologies. The first utilizes a rotating packed bed to optimize the amine-based wet carbon capture system, enabling enhanced efficiency and a more compact design. The second is a cryogenic carbon capture system that incorporates supersonic technology, allowing for carbon capture without the use of a mine and enabling direct liquefaction of carbon. We hold the largest track record in green hydrogen production in Korea and provides PEM-based hydrogen generation technology that offers higher efficiency and greater operational stability than the alkaline method. Our PEM hydrogen generation solutions are highly scalable from small scale to large scale and can be customized to meet the specific requirements of each customer. We hold numerous technologies and products recognized the first of their kind in Korea, and unitization concept was also firstly presented by SUNBO in Korean shipbuilding market. By unitizing systems for oil, gas, seawater, fresh water, and even NaOH, we provide integrated technical services to major shipyards and customers. A company grow together with people. We have established 15 schools in Uganda and Nepal, expanding educational opportunity and supporting future generations through its scholarship foundation. We also invest generously in training and welfare, empowering our employees to dream of a better tomorrow. A company that grows through sharing. We continue to walk alongside people and planet, creating sustainable and harmonious change for all. We brought innovation to shipbuilding. We lead the way. We realize technology for good. Technology that creates new currents. Our steps toward a sustainable future never stop. SUNBO is opening the door to tomorrow. SUNBO.